Cute and interesting. I call this project the Toothpick Lifter. We dedicate our innovation to all the players who participated in the Olympics this year, especially to those who won gold, silver and bronze medal for their country. It's so fun to watch it working. It lifts the toothpick so smoothly. This smooth mechanism comes alive with a power, a servo blocks and a button. The toothpicks inside the project are in two sections. The sections are separated by a partition, which will later carry the toothpick when I press the button. The servo turns in upward direction. The box is lifted as the sections rise above the partition. Toothpicks fall inward and on the partition. But when the servo comes down again, the toothpicks in the sections come down too. But the partition holds one toothpick out. This is how we get the toothpick in one click of the button. Saicom Mirabai Chan, the silver medalist for weightlifting at Tokyo Olympics this year, inspired us to give this project the sporty look that it has. And also, this is your Maker Challenge number 51. Make this project and participate in this challenge by shooting a video of your project and uploading it on the WitBlox app. 2 lucky winners will get Wi-Fi blocks as a grand prize. And remember, the last date to participate in this challenge is 31st of October. Waiting to see your projects on the WitBlox app. Keep innovating.